The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Cookie dough preparation. 2 eggs, 3/4 cup melted butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup sugar powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. 2 teaspoons vanilla powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix it nicely. 2½ cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup gems. Take a baking tin. Add the dough to the tin. Equal it from all the sides. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Giant cookie cake is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.